Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing status extension for green card holders. Basically what we're talking about here, this is for conditional permanent residents, folks who may be dealing with things like their lift of conditions to unconditional lawful permanent residents, and other folks that may be in the United States, for example, who may be working in the U.S. But a recent article I found on a blog post, actually, of a colleague of mine, of Patricia Elise Esquire. Her website is eliselawfirm.com. Article is titled, USCIS extends evidence of status for conditional permanent residents to 24 months with pending form. Quoting directly, on September 4th, 2021, the USCIS extended the time that receipt notices can be used to show evidence of status from 18 months to 24 months for petitioners who properly file Form I-751, petition to remove conditions on residence, or Form I-829, petition by investor to remove conditions on permanent resident status. This change accommodates the current processing times for Form I-751 and Form I-829 to be approved. Now, this is kind of a good news, bad news situation because, you know, when you file a form to remove conditions, you really want it to just get done sooner rather than later. Now that said, things have been moving slow, and basically the documentation you get in receipt, basically that says, hey, we've received your request to remove conditions, we're working on it. It's basically what they're saying. That document used to be 18 months. It provided evidence of status. It has now been increased to 24 months. The reason I say that's good and bad is because for folks who are sitting around waiting for this to be processed, yeah, they want to maintain status, and they don't want to jeopardize their status. The reason it's bad news is because, well, quite frankly, it's taken a long time to get these cases processed out, long enough to warrant a policy change. So I don't think maybe folks that are dealing with these think that this is going to change anytime soon. Again, it's a bit of speculation on my part. I really am only tangentially involved with cases like this. This is primarily done over in the United States, although we do assist folks with these cases from time to time if they deem it necessary. But that said, yeah, in the past, frankly, removal of conditions, or what I call lift of conditions, that sometimes those things got done in weeks. But clearly, that's not the case now, as it's been deemed necessary to extend the validity of the documentation pertaining to this matter from 18 to 24 months.